Tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of extra cash? Let's dive into whether Instacart can be your golden ticket to a flexible side hustle. First, let's talk money. Instacart earnings vary wildly. Factors like location, time of day, demand, and how quickly you can shop influence your payout. Some shoppers make a few extra bucks, while others hustle hard and earn significantly more. Expect to see batch offers that include Instacart's payment and potential customer tips. Keep in mind, gas and car maintenance are your responsibilities and will eat into your profits. Flexibility is a major draw. You set your own hours and work when it suits you. Early bird, hit the morning rush. Night owl. Evening deliveries could be your thing. The Instacart app lets you accept or decline batches, giving you complete control over your schedule. So, what do you need to get started? You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid driver's license, access to a reliable vehicle, and a smartphone to run the Instacart app. Instacart also conducts a background check, so make sure your record is clean. It's not all sunshine and roses. Challenges exist. Expect to deal with heavy items demanding customers, store stock shortages, traffic delays, and the occasional low-paying batch. Successful shoppers need patience, problem-solving skills, and a knack for communication. Ultimately, Instacart can be a good side hustle, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Realistic expectations are key. Do you have the time, reliable transportation, and patience to deal with the challenges? If so, Instacart could be a great way to boost your income. Subscribe for more side hustle reviews.